I'm gonna head south towards Aliso Creek and then decide if I want to go up or down Cook's Corners or Pacific Coast Highway. So just off the river trail, 5 kilometers, 3 miles, heading south on Pacific Coast Highway. Just over the Newport Back Bay Bridge, dodging cars, heading towards the Back Bay Trail. Camp James should be in full swing. All the kids learning their aquatic skills. 15 kilometers or 9 miles in, a little over halfway through the Back Bay Trail. We're 20 kilometers or 12 miles in, just past the Harvard exit on the San Diego Creek Trail. Lovely morning, a little cooler than the past few days. Enjoying that. Just under an hour in and at 24.2 kilometers or just under 15 miles at the Bill Barber Sports Complex. Going to take a short break. Once again, the city of Irvine rules, sweeping the bike lanes. A little added bonus. 30K or 18 miles on the San Diego Creek Trail, just past Jeffrey. Been a good ride. Valley Oaks. 35 kilometers or 21 miles into our ride. Coming up to Lake Forest Avenue, I'm going to turn right, climb up over the hill, and then go down Laguna Canyon westbound or southbound. Anyway, head towards the ocean. Okay, reached the summit on Laguna Canyon, westbound or southbound, heading towards the ocean. 40K, 25 miles, and you can feel it cool off from the ocean breeze. 45K, about 28 miles, just past the Willow parking lot for mountain biking on Laguna Canyon Trail. Riding in the shoulder, downhill, 170 watts to go 15 miles an hour. Coming into Laguna Beach. Very artsy. You don't see bus stops like that everywhere. All right, 50K or 30 miles. Very close to the Pacific Coast Highway, and we'll turn north. $55K or 33 miles. I'm at my final rest stop, Crystal Cove, overlooking the Pacific Ocean. It's been a good ride. Glad I made the change. Rather than ride to Cook's Corner, I said, let's go to the ocean. Very nice. Coming into Corona del Mar, gonna hit 60 clicks or 32 miles, 36 miles, pardon me. at Poppy. We're going to turn right, go up the hill. This is a bike ride.
I like your costume.
Hey, thank you. Going to a happening. There's some symmetry in this ride. Just past 65 kilometers, and I've got 10 miles or 16 kilometers to go home. For 51 miles, about 70 clicks. It's 70K or 42 miles back at the river trail. Okay, the ride's going to be just about a quarter of a mile, half a K short of 75 clicks, which would be 45 miles. So, been a good ride though, and I made it home.